A very good morning to you all. Hope so. Loop is working well. And again, a thank you, big thank you to Master Sahab. Who is that? I don't know. He actually, by mistake, the link of class 10th was pasted in class 9th. Might be today you have experienced this. That in the heading it's a for loop and some of the series question, and then it's inside the content is different. Inside there the content it was showing as a double dimension array. So this is what a profit of negotiation when you are active, when you have when you know and how to communicate. So I got a message near about in the 4 o'clock near about, and then I had to change it out. I found that it was a blunder done by me by mistake, so as an human error. So again I rectified and reloaded the new one. I had to change the link so that you people can understand, but till that 32 people have viewed it and nobody has informed me except the one, and he subscribed, I think so. He has subscribed the channel, and he has sent me a message through the YouTube. Through the YouTube only inbox I got it, and thank you to him. Thank you very much. Yeah, coming back to our topic. Yes, so now I think so you people have gone with the series. You people have written some series questions also there, and might have practiced it out also there. The series questions you people have practiced it out, and I think so that you people are able to recognize where the loop will be and how it's been solved. So today we are going to practice some more questions with the series questions, simple series questions. We will be practicing it, and then afterwards we will move with the factorial questions and we will solve those questions. So let's proceed to the series question. And again, alarm to you, tracing should be done. You should be doing the tracing regularly. Alright. So today is web to find the sum of the series. S equals to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x4 plus dot and terms. Is it? No. Different ways are there, different ways of writing it. Let's move on with both the ways. I will be going with both the ways, two of the ways. So here we go with the program. Import java .util.string class abc void main. So here we require a scanner class first. Scanner sc equals to scanner system dot in. You require int I, you require n, you require an x here, and you require a double s equals to 0.0. Alright, or do you need an ints? So if when ints is there, then you have to typecast the mat.pow function. Remember this, you have to typecast it. So if you are forgetting a typecast, then there will be an error. So to avoid such situation, I am just focusing on this. Now let's move on with it. enter the limit. So n equals to sc dot next time t method. Somebody asked me in a video through internal message system that why I can't start I with 0. Now I with the 0, look here, we take whatever is there, we take it. That's why I am discussing the two ways here. Now x, what do you mean by x here? X to the power 1. So immediately we are getting here that our loop must begin with the 1. We got the starting point, we are getting the ending point. So we have to be very precise. There are some guidelines, some ethics of the programming which we have to follow it out. And it says here the loop is beginning with a 1. So loop following to the ethics. Now how the program has to be written. Now this s is 0. If I had written 0.0, how will I get this 1? Because this 1 is an extra 1 added to the series, sum of series. What the series? Look at my two fingers. The sum of the series, what I am finding it out, is added with 1. That means sum, if I, instead of writing sum equals to 0.0, if I write s equals to 1.0, is there any harm? No harm is there. So my s starts with here. So for I equals to 1, oh no, x also, enter the value of x. X equals to sc dot next and t method. So for I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. So what is s? S equals to now s plus math dot power x to the power I. So plan s main close, class close. Now this is one way, is it? So s value is 1, so plus x to the power 1, I is 1. When I is 2, then x to the power 2. When I is 3, then x to the power 3, and it goes like this. This was regarding the ethics. Alright, now some can treat it with the mathematics also, correlated with the mathematics. Sir, what if I x to the power 0 also means 1? Anything to the power 0 means 1. Yes, we cannot deny with it. We cannot simply deny with it. So keeping apart the ethics, this is also a correct. If I write x to the power 0, then also my program works. Now in such case, when you move on with the second method, then you should place the s as a 0.0. You cannot take s as 1.0. You have to be very precise with this. You have to put s equals to 0. Now here, what happens with the loop here? When you write a loop, then for I equals to 0, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. Then s equals to s plus math dot power x to the power I, and then so plan s. Is it? So now here I is 0. So x to the power 0 means 1. You have got the 1 here. And now when I value changes to 1, then x to the power 1. Then when I value changes to 2, x to the power 2. Is it? It continues like this. So you have to be very precise. This is turning apart of the things. Now let's move on to the next one. Hope so you can trace it out. I expect so. If you have any problem, please convey it to me, I will be making the things done. Now S equals to, here we go, 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 dot 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 n terms. So now where is the loop? Numerator or denominator? Now 1 means 1 upon 1. So at the numerator is constant and here the denominator is changing. Is it? The denominator changes. So loop is the denominator. Loop is in the denominator. And from where again the loop starts with 1 and ends up to n. So the program import java.util.string class abc void main. Scanner s equals to new scanner and its system dot in. So here you go, inti, you need an n, and since it is a division, so it should be double s, and s equals to 0.0. Now so plan, enter the limit n equals to sc dot next int method. Now for loop starts from where? 1 goes up to n. There is a single change, I plus plus. So s equals to s plus. Now double. Why I had written a double? I had explained it so many times in class. Now you know it, that the division operator is a integer operator. If you divide 1 upon 3, so now you divide it 3, so in computers you will get like this, 3 zeros are 0 and 1, so you will get an answer as a 1. But in mathematics, what you do, general sign, in general way, 3 zeros are 0, 1, you put a decimal, then here a 0, then 3 threes are 9. Is it? Likewise you go. So to get this, you have to ask the compiler that my division should be double now. Whatever the output he gives, it should be in a double type, and the output will be given then in decimals. Otherwise, at 0.0 answer you will be getting it. So it is 1 upon I. Supply S close. I की वैल्यू 1 हुआ तो 1 upon 1, I की वैल्यू 2 हुआ तो 1 upon 2, I की वैल्यू 3 तो 1 upon 3, I की वैल्यू 4 हुई 1 upon 4. ठीक है, likewise it goes. Now, so look now what changes you are getting in this programming nowadays. Previous question was the base and exponent question, power question. Now today what we are discussing is where you are going to find the numerators. Numerators I am saying, where your loop control variable stands, either in the numerator or either in the denominator. So where it is there, that you are able to recognize in such type of question. Let the another question, s equals to 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6 plus dot 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 n terms. Now here, where is the numerator? In such case, where is the numerator? Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, it's changing, and in changing the pattern is not a periodic pattern, it's a different, is it? But here a symmetric look at the pattern here now. 1 2 3. Oh my god, this is 4 upon 5. This is 1 2 3 4 upon 5 and likewise. So you are getting a pattern here, logical pattern. So import java.util.string class abc void main. Now you get a scanner. sc equals to new scanner system dot in. You require int I, you require n, and you require a double s. S equals to 0.0. Enter the limit n equals to sc dot next int method. 4 I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus, s equals to s plus I, you should make it double so that you get a decimal, I upon I plus 1. I की वैल्यू 1 है तो 1 upon 1 plus 1 कितना हो गया, 1 upon 2 हो गया. when I की वैल्यू 2 हो गई तो क्या हो गया, 2 upon 2 plus 1 तो 2 upon 3 हो गया. I की वैल्यू 3 हो गई तो 3 upon 3 plus 1. Is it? So yes, sum of the series is s close main close the class. Now the same question can be changed like this: 1 upon 2 minus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 minus 4 upon 5 plus dot 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 n terms. Even first step it's positive, second step it becomes negative, third step it becomes positive, then becomes negative. Somebody asked me he could not follow the second method of it, t, when it's 1, so the t will remain as a positive. When I changes to 2, the t will change to 2. This is what is the case here. Let's write that program for him. So class abc void main scanner so you require int I, you require n, you require t, you require double s equals to 0.0 and the t value equals to 1. क्योंकि पहले राउंड में पॉजिटिव है इसलिए t की वैल्यू हमेशा 1 रहेगा. ठीक है, तो एक सुपलन एंटर द लिमिट लिया मैंने n equals to sc dot next int method and run a loop for I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus, s equals to s plus double. ठीक है, I upon I plus 1 into t. तो अभी यहाँ पे क्या पहले बार में क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2 into t की वैल्यू 1 है तो 1 पॉजिटिव 1 है तो 1 हो गया. अब यहाँ पे t को नेगेटिव बनाते हैं तो t इंटू -1 कर देते हैं. तो सेकंड स्टेप में i जब 2 होगा तो t -2 हो जाएगा, माइनस हो जाएगा. जब i 3 होगा तो t पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, फिर 4 होगा तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. सुपलन main close, class close. Thank you.